Gentlemen, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how much effort you put in, she doesn't quite reach the peak you were hoping for? You might be doing all the right things, yet missing the one secret that transforms a moment from that felt nice to my entire body just melted. Well, today, we're going to uncover that secret. And here's the good news. It's not a toy, it's not a pill, and it's not a complicated move you need hours to learn. It's a simple, science-backed method that, once you understand it, can elevate her experience to something truly unforgettable. It's not about being born with magic hands. It's about understanding her body, her biology, and pacing yourself in ways most men never do. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with 5 years of experience helping men improve their confidence, performance, and intimacy. Today, I'm going to break it down step by step in a way that's practical, respectful, and fully grounded in science. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments. I love seeing our community come together from all over the world. While you're down there, tap the like button and subscribe, because this channel is dedicated to helping men over 40, 50, and 60 maximize their health, vitality, and confidence. Here's the first big lie you've probably been told: that oral intimacy is all about technique or speed, that if you just do what you've seen in movies or heard in locker rooms, she'll automatically climax. Here's the truth. Most women need time, rhythm, and anticipation far more than flashy tricks. Men respond quickly to direct stimulation, but women's bodies often build arousal in layers. If you rush, you short-circuit that process. If you go steady and patient, that's when the fireworks happen. And the single most effective tool to unlock those fireworks? The start-stop method, sometimes called edging. Done properly, it creates waves of arousal that lead to the kind of release most women rarely experience. And I know this works because I've seen it both in research and in my practice. Let's bust a few myths you've probably been carrying. Myth number 1, fast and intense equals better. Reality, quick. High-intensity stimulation often overwhelms the nervous system. Her body responds best to gradual buildup, consistent rhythm, and anticipation. Myth number 2, oral is all about technique. Reality, technique alone can't replace presence and awareness. Paying attention to her signals, breath, movement, facial expressions matters far more than speed or moves. Myth number 3, younger men have the advantage. Reality, age often brings patience, confidence, and emotional intelligence, the exact qualities that improve intimate connection. Here's the biology behind it. Arousal is cumulative. The nervous system amplifies sensation when stimulation is paced properly. Emotional connection boosts pleasure. When she feels seen and valued, her body relaxes and responds more fully. Practically, pacing prevents fatigue and strain, allowing both of you to sustain the experience longer. So, the big takeaway? Pleasure isn't about tricks. It's about pacing, awareness, and presence. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with men across every stage of life: 30s, 50s, 60s, and even 70s. Here's what I notice. Men who struggle most are trying too hard, often racing to performance rather than staying present. Men who succeed focus on reading signals, pacing, and connection. Let me share an example. Robert, 64 years old, came to me frustrated. He said, "I try, Dr. Jocelyn, but either she gets bored or I burn out before she reaches climax." After just 2 months of learning the pacing and patience behind the start-stop method, he reported, his wife described the intimacy as the best we've had in decades. He rebuilt his confidence and relaxed into the experience. The pattern is clear. Technique alone is not enough. Understanding her response and pacing yourself is what transforms the experience. Step 1, set the stage for comfort. Comfort isn't just luxury, it's essential. Biology. Arousal builds best when both partners are physically relaxed. Emotionally, confidence and calm from you help her relax. Practically, proper positioning prevents fatigue and makes sustained intimacy easier. Tips. Pillows under her hips to tilt the pelvis. Cushions under your knees if needed. Adjust the bed, chair, or angle to avoid strain. Relax your jaw, breathe through your nose. This isn't a sprint. Step 2, patient buildup. Most men rush to the peak too soon. Biology. Over 8,000 nerve endings on the clitoral area respond best to gradual, layered stimulation. Emotionally, a slow build signals, I'm here for you. I'm savoring you. Practically, Gradual buildup prevents fatigue and keeps you in control. Practical approach. Start away from sensitive zones, explore surrounding areas. Gentle rhythm, soft touches, steady pacing. Focus on awareness, not speed. Step 3. Start-stop edging. This is the magic principle. Biology. Each cycle increases nervous system sensitivity, blood flow, and muscle tension. Emotionally, anticipation heightens excitement. Practically, helps manage stamina and control the experience. How it works. Bring her close to climax, then pause. Allow 20 to 30 seconds for recovery. Resume the same rhythm. Repeat 2 to 3 cycles before final release. Use gentle hand support to enhance connection without rushing. Subtle check-ins more, less. Here, keep her engaged and safe. Here's how to turn these principles into real results. Set up comfort first. Pillows, angles, relaxed posture. Double your expected buildup. Slow down, explore, savor. Edge in cycles. Start, stop, watch cues, repeat. Stay present. Read signals, adjust pacing, check in subtly. Trust the process. Consistency beats speed. Practice this, and you'll notice immediate differences not just in her reactions, but in your confidence and enjoyment. Now, some of you might be thinking, I'm too old. My stamina isn't what it used to be. Here's the truth. Age is an advantage when it comes to patience, connection, and understanding. Many men over 50 and 60 report the best intimate experiences of their lives after learning pacing, presence, and awareness. Remember, you don't need to be stronger, younger, or more athletic. You need to listen, notice, and respect the process. Small adjustments create comfort, confidence, and deep connection. So tonight, or the next time you're intimate, try this. Set the stage for comfort. Build slowly, savoring each moment. Edge twice, then let her release naturally. Watch not only her body, but how she looks at you afterward. That's the feedback that tells you you've given something rare. Finally, if you found this helpful, like the video so more men can learn these techniques safely. Subscribe for weekly tips on men's health, confidence, and intimacy. Comment, start, stop, and share what you wish you'd learned 20 years ago. Gentlemen, you are not too old. Your prime is not behind you. Small, wise changes in presence, patience, and attention bring back freedom, confidence, and lifelong connection. I'm Dr. Jocelyn reminding you, your health is your confidence is your connection, and true intimacy has no expiration date. Take care of yourself, your body, and your relationships, and I'll see you in the next video.